Gorgar Williams, 1979. First talking pinball machine. Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations. We just finished restoring this Gorgar. It's in pretty rough shape. I needed a bunch of work. Needed a lot of playfield touch-up, and the boards are pretty trashed in the game. But it came out really nice, and did some rudimentary touch-up on the back glass as well. We did some playfield touch-up, like I said. And I'll show you some of the boards we put inside the game. Some of the boards we did a new all-in-one board here for the MPU. Did a specialty solenoid, special solenoid saver board fusing, so that helps the game in case one thing blows. It doesn't take the whole game down. You can keep playing. And also did some safety mods over here, fusing. I never fused the transformer from back in the day, so I did that for safety reasons. So keeps the game from doing bad things. And new soundboard, and rebuilt the power supply. And also we put new displays in here, new red LED displays. They look kind of funky right now because that's the digital camera showing the updating, but they don't do that in person. So that's that there. LEDs, warm LEDs all the way around. Buffed all the metal, playfield protector on it. Buffed all this. New badging there, those were all trashed. And new flipper buttons. And just about 35 to 40 hours worth of work. So I'm going to put this back glass back on. We're going to play a little bit. Show you how it plays. Also has new Titan rubber all the way around. So here we go. Also a new bass speaker in there for the extra Gorgar punch with that heartbeat sound. Gorgar. You got you, babe. Sonny and Cher version of Gorgar. There we go. Also rebuilt all the flippers, put brand new updated WPC mechanisms in the flipper assemblies. Put updated Troxel magnetic reed switches for the Gorgar targets, because the original ones were just not very good, so this updates them to today's standards. And of course made that spinner spin a whole bunch of times like it's supposed to, so I tweaked all that as well. Basically spent a bunch of time tweaking, adjusting, and putting all new parts in, so it came real nice. One of the nicest Gorgars we've done to date. Got you, babe. There you go, Gorgar. I got the Gorgar. Come on, A. A. No. This game did not have lane change. Too early in the generations for lane change. So you just have to skillfully shoot the A instead of lane changing it, which I did not skillfully shoot the A. Pop-ups are nice and snappy, as you can see. Those are all rebuilt. Tons of action there. Let's see if I can get that last number 2 there. The elusive A. Hurt, or it could be saying yogurt, I'm not quite sure. Alright, well I didn't quite beat you, Gorgar, but I gave you a good whipping anyway. So that is Gorgar. Dark Days Pinball Restorations. A quickie vid here.